Hey mates, look at these pedals. Dirt, debris, grimes, living there rent free for a long period of time. Today, I'll show you how to clean them in an economical way at your home so that you can get results like this. Brand new or something close to one. तो मैं आपको 3 methods दिखाऊंगा to get this job done. So first, by simply using a shampoo water. Second, by using a good quality APC. And third, by using a good foam car interior cleaner, which is simply ready to use out of the box. And you also need protector glass. Here I am using the 3M ones, and a detailing brush or simply a toothbrush. क्योंकि ये बहाना नहीं चलेगा कि आपके पास डिटेलिंग ब्रश नहीं है तो आप ये क्लीनिंग नहीं करोगे. No, you can do it using your toothbrush. And of course, a cleaning towel. You can use a microfiber towel or a regular cloth. And finally, pair of disposable gloves. So let's get started. So first of all, make some arrangement to protect your carpet so that the detergent do not stain them. In this case, I'm using this blue towel. Start spraying your shampoo water over your pedal, drench it well, and start brushing it in a back and forth motion, and try to reach each and every nooks and corners of the pedal so that you can agitate all the dust and debris out of it. And in case if you face difficulties while walking on such confined spaces, then try removing the rear stalk of the brush, and it will turn into a stubby brush which you can use to reach and clean in such kind of confined spaces. Moreover, always stay protected, guys. Wear your safety glasses while doing all such kind of cleaning and stuff, because at the end of the day these all are chemicals and we are exposed to it, so we do not want a health hazard. And in the meanwhile, notice the color of the lather, and when it gets murky, wipe it off and spray down the new detergent again. Once you are done working with the lather, now you can simply wipe it off. And now look at the dirt that you have lifted off from the pedal. Now look at this, guys. This pedal is now looking cleaner and brand new, though not completely clean, but yes, we are on the right path. And do this process again and again until you achieve that brand new look or something close to one. Now let's use the APC. I have diluted this APC with a ratio of 1:20. एक पार्ट आपको APC का लेना है and 20 parts of water. और ये APC काफ़ी effective है, provided you do the good dilution. Proper dilution अगर आप नहीं करते हो then it may damage your parts, so take care of that. और ये Wavex का APC है and it works remarkably well. If you work more often on your car, like the cleaning and other kind of stuff, then मैं आपको recommend करूँगा do purchase an APC, क्योंकि ये जो ऑल पर्पस क्लीनर होते हैं ये आपको डीग्रीजिंग में भी हेल्प करेंगे, स्टेन्स क्लीनिंग में भी हेल्प करेंगे, आपकी सीट्स क्लीनिंग में भी हेल्प करेंगे, एंड ऑलमोस्ट दैट्स द नेम, दैट्स व्हाट इट सजेस्ट, ऑल पर्पस क्लीनर. Now we are done with the accelerator pedal, though I could have executed this job meticulously, but because of the paucity of time, I'm happy with the results. अब हम ट्राई करेंगे ये 3M car interior foam cleaner. It is very easy to use. Just shake it well and start spraying on the area. एक अच्छा एरिया कवरेज कर लीजिए and let it sit for a while. जैसे कुछ समय ये बैठेगा, you can notice the foam, the white foam color gets murky into color, gets dirtier, and then you can start brushing it off. और जो आपका ब्रश है, it will agitate all the dirt and the debris, और वो सारी चीज़ आपके फोम में कैप्चर हो जाएंगे. आपका फोम उसको एब्जॉर्ब करेगा, then you can simply wipe it off. And I believe ये प्रोडक्ट उन लोगों के लिए बहुत बेटर है जो लोग occasionally अपने व्हीकल पे काम करते हैं and they do not want the hassle of dilution while using APC. और ये प्रोडक्ट just out of the box, you can simply spray it and wipe it off. The job is done. And it is very effective as well. And the only downside of this method and this product is it is very expensive as compared to the other two methods that I have demonstrated before. Once you're done cleaning the pedals, just simply wipe it off using a regular cloth or a microfiber towel. Moreover, this is not a sponsored video. These are products I personally use. If you'd like to check them, you'll find the links in the description. What a difference it creates! Just have a look at the results, guys. The results are right before you, and they speak far more eloquently than words. This is from where we started, and this is where we reached. I hope this video was insightful. If it was, you know what to do.